Hello guys, welcome back to our new video and basically towards our first week, the review week of the course of Go High Level. So in this video we are going to cover that how you can create a one page of a website. Okay, means you commonly hear that website is a collection of pages, but you can create a website page by page. So one page of a website is known as funnel. So basically now we are heading towards that how we can create our website, but inside Go High Level there is a classification between a website and a funnel. Website is a different thing and a funnel is a different thing. Okay, but if I add a little twist here, that if you create a funnel then you can't attach it with your website. Okay, this is actually a separate link and it looks like a website, but when you share that link to other people like lead or any other person, then he can visit it and then he can review that page and work on that page, but it is not a part of your website. Okay, so let me show you inside Go High Level that how actually it look like and how you can work with the funnels in Go High Level. So let's move towards GHL. Okay guys, we are back inside Go High Level and let's move towards our funnel. So for that you have to move inside the sites which appears on your left side in this bar, and here we are directly inside our funnels. Okay, so let me show you that how funnels are different with your actual websites. Okay, so let me show you the website, that how actually the website look like, and then I will show you that how actually the funnel look like. Okay, so now currently I'm opening the website. Okay, so okay, so this is actually the website, which is the collection of multiple pages and a lot of things. Okay, so this is actually the website, and let's move towards our below page. Okay, so oh, I don't know why this is empty. Okay, well, a new bug found. Okay, so yes, this is another page, and now let me show you that how actually the funnel will look like. Okay, so funnels, let's move towards Auxth media, and inside here there are 6 different types of funnels, and let me show you that how actually the funnel look like. Let me open this one if it looks good. Yes. Okay, so this is the funnel. This is not a part of a website. Okay, so now what is the difference between a website and a funnel? So if you remember that website has multiple types of pages that you can shift from one page to another page, but inside the funnels you have only one page and you have to keep viewing it. Basically funnels are created for some specific purpose, like this funnel is created for NA10 portfolio. So there are multiple NA10 automations built here, and yes, we actually work with NA10 as well. So for example, let me show you another funnel which is LinkedIn portfolio, and let me see that if everything is good inside it. Okay, so this is another specific funnel that is created for LinkedIn portfolio. Okay, so I hope that you are actually understanding the clear difference between a website and a funnel. So here is the website, there we can shift on multiple pages, and here is the funnel where we have only one page and we have to keep it, review it, submit it if there is a form on the funnel, and so on. Okay, so for creating the funnels, what we can do, okay, first of all let me show you one more thing, is that funnel have their own links. Okay, and let me show you how that links look like. And if I click on edit, oh sorry, there is no need of editing it, and let us move back. From here you can see the link as well, where is a specific link for each funnel, which is right above here. Yes, here. Okay, Basically website only contains the header, okay, but inside the funnels you have a separate full link having different endpoints, okay. So I hope that you basically understood the clear difference between the funnels and the website. And if you want to create new funnel, then you will simply click on this new button to create new funnels. Okay, so this is all for today related to the funnels, and let's see you in our next video. Till that, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.